Hello beautiful people, I welcome you all with all my love and all my heart to self-healing meditation. Our true self is true creative spirit. So when we are born, when we are a child, this is where we are blossoming, where we are unstoppable and creating amazing life when we are born. But we have beliefs, limitation put on us from outside world, such as people that imprint on us new conditions, whether it's parents, caretakers, movies, or just society. Doesn't matter. Anything and everything could imprint us on us that unconsciously, energetically plays up in our life. I am Gita Nayee. I'm going to be your guide on this meditative journey. You are going to connect to your greatness, to heal your root chakra, inner child. Please make sure you are in a safe space where you are not driving or doing any activities that require you to be conscious, because we are going to drop into a deep state of relaxation and visit your unconscious. Now please find a comfortable position that feels safe. So I give you a few minutes to find comfortable, safe space. Let's do this together. I'm going to invite you to close your eyes and allow your awareness from the world around you to the world within. I'm going to do the same thing right here. I love you to move from your outer world to your inner world. And the first step is to move your focus from your thinking mind to the present moment. One of the ways you can do this is by simply bringing your attention from your breathing by taking few deep breaths. Now, as you bring fresh oxygen to your body, just notice how energized both your body and mind becoming present. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in again and breathe out. Breath is always present, reliable for you to come back to. Notice that you are getting more and more safe with that natural rhythm of your breath. Now I want you to imagine that you are in safe space. And being in safe space, it almost feels like a part of you is walking backward into the past, into places where you were a child. Look around and see your 1-year-old self. But perhaps today you feel yourself, this 1-year-old infant, with your 1-year-old infant, and come close to yourself. Lean in and tell your baby self, I'm here for you. Again, tell your baby self, I'm here for you. I love you. Little one, you are safe and I'm here for you. And notice your infant self responses with sound, smile, maybe cuckoo, itchy, little hand outward. If it feels natural, you can pick your infant self up and hold yourself in your arms and feel how safe it feels, how warm it feels to hold your infant self. And you are holding your infant self, and imagine the two of you are molding together and becoming one right now. Becoming one right into heart. The two of you are sharing one heart. Being honest, beingness, feeling so good. This moment unifies you both and allow an expression of joy to move into your face, whatever feels natural. Now allow it to rise as you begin to make your journey back slowly. Release your focus, please. Coming back, fully present, here right now, feeling your body, and you have done beautiful work with your root chakra, inner child. I hope you found that joyful, and I'm super excited to see what comes up when we dive into second chakra to feel our divine feminine, our variety embracing of change, our emotions, sounds. Good, doesn't it? I will see you in that meditation, sending you so much love. Thank you.